Are you looking for the best electric log splitters in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best electric log splitters that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more to see the more information about these products. I found these products much helpful for people like you. You can check out the description below. Also make sure you subscribe for more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Yardmax YS 05525 ton electric log splitter. The Yardmax is a slightly cheaper electric log splitter and, as a result, delivers 5 tons of power behind the ram. However, that's a lot of power for a splitter that's a much more economic option. It takes slightly longer to cycle the cylinder at 18 seconds compared to the Boss Industrial's 10 seconds. These differences aren't a major concern if you're using wood that's suitable for the Yardmax. It advertises cutting logs up to a diameter of 10 inches in diameter, and this is roughly accurate. It has been able to cut logs with a diameter up to 12 inches, but not too much beyond that. However, it handles soft and hardwoods with ease, despite the seemingly low 5-ton power delivered behind the ram. This includes hemlock, maple, chestnut, beech, and oak. In comparison to the Boss Industrial, the increased height on the Yardmax thanks to its attachable stand is a welcome change. You're not going to get a sore back with this one, and it offers a little more stability when the splitter is in use. Despite the increased height. Number 4. Powerhouse XM-380, using a 3 HP motor to deliver 7 tons of power, our second hydraulic log splitter is joint first in terms of power, alongside the Boss Industrial. That effectively means that the Powerhouse is able to handle the vast majority of woods, providing the logs are the right size. In terms of size, it's quite versatile, too. It can hold logs of up to 20 inches in length. The manufacturer recommends using with logs up to 12 inches in diameter, which is the widest of any splitter we've reviewed, but the loading tray makes it difficult to try split anything wider, though some users have mentioned being able to split up to 20-inch diameter logs. Number 3. Goplus 1500W 6 ton. The first hydraulic splitter we're looking at today, the Goplus uses 1500W of power to deliver 6 tons of force. While hydraulic splitters might be a little slower than the electric/kinetic equivalent, this also makes them significantly easier to use, so they may be a better option for those who aren't entirely confident about using a kinetic splitter. The splitter fits logs of up to 21 inches in length and is recommended for use with logs up to 10 inches in diameter, but can effectively split just about anything up to 14 inches in diameter, too, including oak. The log cradle is a good feature that helps keep logs in place, so there's less risk of displacement and uneven splits when it's in operation. While the splitter is a little on the heavier side, as it needs to be, the handles and wheels allow you to stand it vertically to quickly transport it from place to place, making it highly portable. Number 2. Southland Outdoor Power Equipment SLS 66 ton. Using a 1.75 HP engine, the Southland Outdoor Power Equipment log splitter delivers 6 tons of power to the ram. Like the Yardmax, it has an 18-second cycle time, which is not below average for log splitters of its type. It has no trouble cutting woods with a similar hardness to cedar, pine, and oak, but shows a little more trouble with particularly gnarled or knotted pieces of oak, which is also not uncommon for log splitters of this type. It can effectively handle logs up to 10 inches. Though some users have noted that it can go beyond this recommended limit with some clever positioning, for safety's sake, you should stick to the 10-inch diameter logs. However, a nice additional feature that we would like to see on more electric log splitters is the integrated stroke limiter. This is an option that can be enabled to provide a shorter stroke that can deal with smaller logs. It offers a little more precision while at the same time shortening that cycle time. If you don't mind taking the time to cut and transport more, but shorter, logs, it can make the splitting process even more efficient. Number 1. 156207 6.5 ton electric log splitter. With 13,000 pounds of log cracking pressure in the palm of your hands, you can quickly transform logs into firewood with the WEN56207 6.5 ton electric log splitter with stand. This unit, also known affectionately as the WEN Lumberjack log splitter, features a powerful 15-amp 2.5 horsepower motor to make easy work of logs up to 10 inches in diameter and 20.5 inches in length. Install the included stand to elevate the cradle 34 inches off of the floor, or assemble the wheels directly to the body of the log splitter for a low-profile design that sits directly on the ground. Forget the hassles and expenses that come with gasoline-powered alternatives. An electric log splitter means you will never have to worry about cold starts or clogged carburetors again. With a 20-second cycle time, a 14.75-inch cylinder stroke, a 16-square-inch push plate, and a 5-inch wedge, you'll be able to take on even the hardest of woods.
If you enjoy this video, please like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting